Ladies, come closer. I'm about to put you on. Busties has sent me their breast tape kit. And I'm a girl who wears a lot of low cut and backless outfits. So this is going to take care of all my needs. Let me first show you what it comes with. First are your how to apply instructions. Secondly, you will receive a test strip. Apply this to your skin to make sure everything's good before you begin. Third, you're going to get the flesh colored pasties. Amazing. One of my faves in this kit, it is the silicone pasties. Love them. Lastly, but certainly not least, it is the breast tape. Oh my God, this is amazing. What you're gonna love about that is that it will lift, it will give you a little cleavage, it covers the back so you don't have to worry about having any straps or anything showing. Let me show you how. And just like that, abracadabra. The link is in the bio.